Invest in yourself, the best investment that you'll ever make. If you're looking to make the right investments that will pay off in the long run, then you need to start with yourself. Sure, it might sound great to invest in real estate and reap the benefits later on. But not everyone has the money for that. Plus, it can be risky. What you want to do is to start investing in yourself early on in your life. If you choose to invest in yourself, that will be the best investment you will ever make. Take care of your health. You can't achieve amazing results if you're sick all the time. One of the first things you want to do is to have better care of yourself. Going to the doctor and taking regular examinations will help you prevent health issues naturally, and that can help immensely. Just try to use that to your own advantage and the results can be staggering. Exercise often as well, since working out can really make your life better. Focus on self-improvement. Enhancing your skills can always make a huge difference. What you want to do is to constantly improve on what you know and stay up to date with the latest industry developments. You also want to learn new things. The more skills you have, the better. However, you should try to focus on those things that will help boost your career. Then you can learn other things on the side. It's also a good idea to attend workshops, webinars or seminars often, since they are great learning as well as networking opportunities. Invest in career-building education. Educating yourself and pursuing a career is very important. It will help you lower the risks when compared to someone that would take just about any job, and you will get to expand your reach and push things to the next level. Read as much as you can. Reading books and blogs will help you learn new things, it will educate you about the industry, and also improve your vocabulary and knowledge. Most wealthy people read books every day, so that should tell you something. Take care of your financial health. What you want to do is to invest early on in your life. Try to find investments that are safe at first, so you can accumulate wealth. Once you do that, your business can grow and expand in an appropriate manner. Also, set at least 20% of your income aside in savings. In case anything happens, you will have a safety net. Conclusion. It's really easy to invest in other things without thinking about yourself. The truth is that you want to start investing in yourself early on, as you will see the payoff rather quickly. Continue learning new things and upgrading your skills. Try to find a coach or mentor if needed. Also, try to give yourself a break from time to time. You're not a robot, and you need to unwind and relax to gain the strength needed to push forward. Once you use these tips, it will help you more than you